Good morning students. Today I will teach class 8th chapter 7, that is conservation of plants and animals. As we know, plants and animals are important part of our life. We directly or indirectly are depends on plants and animals for our survival. Similarly, plants and animals are directly or indirectly dependent on human beings for their survival. So, the conservation of plants and animals is very important aspects for our lives. So, here there are the certain methods or the causes are explained in this chapter for the conservation of plants and animals. Here there is a situation of visit of Bharatpur Sanctuary by Paheli and Bhujo. There are some Kaziranga National Park, Lokcho Wildlife Sanctuary, Great Nicobar Biosphere Reserve and Tiger Reserve, etc. So these are the national parks which are made by the government authorities for the conservation of plants and animals. So what is the purpose of making these national parks, wildlife and biosphere reserve? So mainly the purpose is to conserve plants and animals which are the part of our ecosystem. So firstly, deforestation and its causes. So deforestation is the main cause that plants and animals are not conserved. So firstly, we have to know about what is deforestation. So the deforestation means clearing of forest and using that land for other purposes. So trees and forests are cut down for the purpose of some other use of lands instead of the plants. So cutting down of trees, getting away of animals from that particular area and get free of that land and use that land for some other purpose is deforestation. D means removal of forests. So, trees in the forest are cut down due to many causes. So, procuring land for cultivation. So, people use these lands for the production of new crops, building houses and factories, making furniture, using wood as fuel. These are the purposes. Also, some natural causes of deforestation are forest fire and drought. So these are the two causes which are the natural, which are the main cause of deforestation. So next is consequences of deforestation. So consequences means what are the effects of deforestation. If we done deforestation, what consequences are faced by us, what problems has to face by us. So deforestation increases the temperature and pollution level on the earth. It increases the level of carbon dioxide, groundwater get lowered, or also disturb the balance of nature. So if the cutting of trees continuously done, the rainfall, the amount of rainfall decreases and the fertility of the soil also decreases. So here is a chance of natural calamities such as floods and drought. So here we have to understand that plants and forests are very important for us. We know plants need carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. So as the less carbon dioxide will be used by the plants, if plants are not there, then the amount in the atmosphere will lead to global warming. So what is global warming? This is the increase in the temperature of the earth due to the increase in the amount of carbon dioxide. So as temperature increases, the disturbance of water cycle take place and drought will already done at natural calamities has been seen. So deforestation is a major cause which leads to change in soil property. So physical properties of the soil also effective. Fewer trees result in soil erosion. Soil erosion is a removal of top layer of the soil. So soil become less fertile, less humus. So here the fertile land gets converted into desert by the deforestation. So if the plants are less, the soil erosion can take place, which decrease the fertility of the soil. So hence desertification takes place. What is desertification? That is conversion of fertile lands into deserts. So deforestation also decrease the water holding capacity of the soil. So due to this there is floods can take place. So properties of the soil like nutrients, content, texture also change due to deforestation. So there are many consequences are faced by human being due to deforestation. So next is conservation of forest and wildlife. So the effects of deforestation are many large. As you seen in the above article, there are many effects of deforestation on humans' life. So forest and wildlife should be conserved. The question arises how it can be reserved. So it can be reserved by making biosphere reserves. So firstly we have to know what is biosphere. Biosphere is that part of the earth in which living organism exist or which supports life. So biological diversity or biodiversity refers to the variety of organisms existing on the earth and their interrelationship. So here the two terms you have to know, that is biosphere and biodiversity. So biosphere, means it is a part of the earth which have living organism and which support the life of them. Biological diversity, which has variety of organism existing on the earth. So there are number of biosphere. Here they are telling about the Panchmari Biosphere Reserve. So preserving areas of such biological importance make them our natural heritage. So if we conserve the plants and animals, it are taken as our national heritage. To protect our flora and fauna and their habitats, so protective areas are called wildlife sanctuaries, national park, biospheres are named. So here we have to know these are the protective areas. So plantation, cultivation, grazing, falling of trees, hunting, poaching, these are prohibited. So not allowed there. So these are the protective areas. So firstly is wildlife sanctuary. So name is clear. So area where animals are protected from any disturbance to them and their habitat is wildlife sanctuary. National parks, area reserved for wildlife where they can freely use habitat and natural resources. Biosphere reserve where large area of protective land for conservation of wildlife, plants, animal resources, traditional lives of tribals living in that area. Government agencies or government lays down rules, method and policies to protect and conserve the wildlife sanctuary, national parks and these protective areas. So here it is a responsibility of the government, personal efforts of the society, government agencies, so take care the forest and animals. So governments make the rules and method and policies to protect and conserve. So next is biosphere reserve. So I have already told you biosphere are the areas meant for conservation of biodiversity. So biodiversity where variety of animals, microorganisms and plants are found. So biosphere reserve mainly help to maintain the biodiversity and culture of that area. So here the mainly Panchmari Biosphere Reserve consists of one national park named Satpura and two wildlife sanctuary named Bori and Panchmahri. So next is flora and fauna. So what are flora and fauna? So flora and fauna are the plants and animals found in particular area. So the plants of particular area are called flora and the animals of particular area are called fauna. So here there are the different numbers of flora and fauna of Panchmari biosphere are given. So you have to recall their name, what are flora and what are fauna. So flora are the plants and fauna of the animals of that particular place. So here we will discuss about the next in the next topic about in the next lecture. Thank you.